Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you have started your IP MAT preparation for the 2024 exam. In today's video, we are going to check the IP MAT exam pattern in detail for these exams, IP MAT Indore, IP MAT Rohtak and JIP MAT, because यही तीन major exams हैं IPM के इंडिया में. Okay? इन तीनों exams में differences हैं number of questions को लेकर, then there are differences in time limit, also the number of sections और marking scheme में भी कुछ differences हैं. So one by one we'll go ahead and check whatever differences are there in their exam pattern. Okay. Finally, if you want to enroll for the IP MAT courses for 2024 or 2025, you can visit our website iquanta.in/IPMAT. Let's quickly go through the exam pattern of these exams. So the first exam that we are going to discuss is IP MAT Indore exam. This is the most famous IPM exam in India and has the most number of applicants. Somewhere around 20,000 students appear for this exam every year. Okay. Talking about the exam pattern of this exam, we have three sections. The first one is quant short answer. What is the meaning of short answer? You will not have options here, okay? There will be a question, you will be given a box after that and you have to input your answer, okay, in that box. That does not mean you have to write the whole theory. In mathematics, we generally get answers, final answers in form of digits or decimals, right? You only have to enter the answer. Suppose your answer is 4, enter 4. Suppose your answer is 0.4, enter 0.4. So there are instructions, they'll clarify how you have to enter your answer, okay. This section has 15 questions in total and time limit यहाँ पे होगी 40 minutes. Marking scheme थोड़ी सी special इस section की, because यहाँ पे जो marking scheme है that is +4 and 0. That means if you answer the question correctly you get a +4, but if you answer incorrectly यहाँ पे negative marking नहीं होती है, okay. So this is a section जहाँ पे आप सारे question चाहो तो attempt कर सकते हो. That is not going to create any bad impression, okay? कि why did you attempt all the questions? ऐसा कोई explanation आपको नहीं देना है बाद में. Fine. Usually इस section की cut off बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं जाती है. It stays somewhere around 16 to 20 marks. Last year it was 12 for general, okay? So 60 marks का ये section है, okay? And आप अगर इसमें somewhere around 20-24 touch कर लेते हैं, that is a very safe score for this section. अगर हम past year trends को देखें, okay? What is time limit here? 40 minutes. Throughout these 40 minutes, you only have to stay in this section itself. आप दूसरे section में नहीं जा सकते. You cannot switch between sections in IP MAT Indore exam. तो यहाँ पे sectional time limit भी है, okay? As well as IP MAT Indore की खास बात है, यहाँ पे sectional cut-offs भी होती हैं, यानी कि आपको individually हर एक section की cut-off clear करनी है. ऐसा नहीं कि आपका जो total marks है that is very good, वो cut-off से ऊपर जा रहा है, but अगर आपने sectional cut-off clear नहीं की है, तो you will not be getting any call from the IIM Indore college, okay, for the interviews. Second section is quant MCQ. This has 30 questions. As the section says, MCQ यहाँ पे multiple choices आपके पास रहेंगी and this section is also of 40 minutes and इसकी marking scheme है +4 -1, यानी कि यहाँ पे negative marking है. If you answer the question incorrectly, you will be getting a -1 for that, okay? Unlike the short answer section. And यहाँ पे आपके you can use the options as well to answer the questions. Next section is verbal ability. Okay, this is mainly your verbal ability wherein we have question based upon grammar, vocabulary, and also we'll be having 2 reading comprehension passages and each passage will be having 6 questions, okay. So यहाँ पे आपके 45 questions होते हैं. इन 45 में से 12 question जो होंगे वो आपके reading comprehension के होंगे, passage से आएंगे, 2 passage आएंगे आपके, and rest of the 33 questions will be from grammar, vocabulary, fill in the blanks, idiom phrases, figures of speech maybe, okay, error spotting, sentence correction. So you have to check the verbal ability syllabus thoroughly, okay. And we have already posted a video where we have explained the syllabus of all these sections in detail. You can check that in the video section. We'll also put the link in description, okay. This section is also of 40 minutes. So total अगर आप देखो ये exam 2 hours का है and इसमें भी जो marking scheme है verbal ability section में that is +4 -1, again यहाँ पे negative marking है, okay. So total exam बन जाता है 90 questions का, okay. Total marks होता है 360. अगर आप एक जनरल के कैंडिडेट हो, आपको लगभग 50% ऑफ द टोटल स्कोर करना ही पड़ता है एज पर द पास्ट ईयर ट्रेंड्स. 50% अगर आप टोटल का ले आते हो, यानी कि 360 का 50% इज 180. दैट इज ओकेश इनफ टू क्लियर द कट ऑफ मे बी, ओके. बट व्हेन यू स्कोर मार्क्स व्हिच आर वेरी नियर टू द कट ऑफ, यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन द एज. सो ट्राई टू स्कोर मोर, ओके. ट्राई टू स्कोर समवेयर अराउंड 200 प्लस और इवन मोर, ओके. फाइन. That's all about the IP MAT Indore exam. If you have any further doubts, you can comment. let's go and check the exam pattern of IPMAT Rohtak now. The next exam that we have is IPMAT Rohtak, okay. Somewhere around 13 to 14,000 students, approximately 13,400 students appeared for this exam in 2023, okay. And here we have three sections: quantity aptitude, logical reasoning and VARC. So you are able to see, right, there was quantity aptitude in IPMAT Indore, there was verbal ability, but there was nothing like LR. LR is logical reasoning. So the syllabus of logical reasoning for IPMAT Rohtak, this is not coming in IPMAT Indore, okay. So you have to go through the syllabus, okay, what is being asked. For that you should go through the past year papers. So what happens in IPMAT Indore, we have a set of 5 questions. Usually that is an LR set or a DI set, but that is in the quant MCQ section, okay. There is no separate section for that. And usually in IPMAT Indore, they don't ask you from any concept, they ask you sets based upon common logical reasoning, okay. So to know the exact type of question, you should go through the past year papers. But here in IPMAT logical reasoning, we have blood relations, we have coding decoding, we have paper folding, we have mirror images, okay. There are syllogisms, statement and conclusions. Go through the syllabus once, you will get to know it. What is the number of questions in these sections? It's 40 in each, okay. 40 questions, and time limit is 40 minutes for each section. Again, like IPMAT Indore, you cannot switch between sections here. But what do we interpret from the number of questions and time limit? There is an average time limit of 1 minute per question. That very clearly defines the level of difficulty of IPMAT Rohtak questions, okay. Questions in IPMAT Rohtak are very easy, okay, very easy than IPMAT Indore. So this is the main difference between IPMAT Rohtak and IPMAT Indore. Also, IPMAT Indore is accepted by more colleges, okay. IPMAT Rohtak score is only accepted by IIM Rohtak and few more other colleges for BBA. Fine, we have already made a video on list of colleges which are accepting IPMAT Indore score, Rohtak and JIPMAT score. Go through that, okay. And now we have the marking scheme. It is the same for all the questions, +4 -1 in all the sections, +4 for correct, -1 for incorrect. So IPMAT Rohtak needs different type of preparation, Indore needs different type of preparation, but the syllabus for quant and VRC is the same. In quants there will be no higher mathematics, okay. Class 11-12 mathematics will not be as in IPMAT Rohtak and JIPMAT, only in IPMAT Indore. Second difference is there's a section of logical reasoning in IPMAT Rohtak but not in Indore, okay. And finally, in fact, the level of questions in logical reasoning VRC is also easier in IPMAT Rohtak compared to IPMAT Indore, okay. This particular exam has seen very big changes, okay, in the recent years, because usually in 2022 the cutoff used to be somewhere around 350 or in 300s, but in 2023 that cutoff increased by 100 marks within a year, okay. The cutoff went somewhere around 409. Earlier in 2022 it used to be somewhere around 306. So there was an increase of more than 100 marks in the cutoff of IPMAT Rohtak. So you have to have a very good speed of solving questions. It depends, if the difficulty level of the exam is higher, of course the cutoff will be low. But last year the exam was very easy. That was the reason cutoff went very high for IPMAT Rohtak. Again, a good analysis of the cutoffs, we have already covered that in one of the previous videos. Go through that, okay. So this is all about the IPMAT Rohtak exam pattern. If you have any further doubts, please comment. We'll now check the exam pattern of the last exam called JIPMAT. One more thing about the IPMAT Rohtak exam. Here we have sectional time limit, but there is no sectional cutoff like IPMAT Indore. So your overall score out of 480 is considered. So here we have a total of 120 questions. 120 questions means 480 marks. Out of 480, your total will be considered, okay. They'll not be checking your sectional cutoff. So that means if your any two sections are very strong, so you can score very high in 2 sections, and suppose your third section is quite weak, so even if you perform not so good in the third section, you can compensate its performance with the very good 2 sections, okay. So there is no sectional cutoff in IPMAT Rohtak. That can help you a lot. Even if you don't have one of these sections well prepared for the exam, you can definitely score good in IPMAT Rohtak with 2 sections being very good. Now we have the last very famous exam, which is the JIPMAT exam. JIPMAT score is accepted by IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya, okay. This exam is conducted by NTA, and both IPMAT Rohtak and JIPMAT are conducted in the month of May, okay, end of May. Indore is conducted in June mid, okay. Talking about the exam pattern, we have 3 sections similar to that of Rohtak. IPMAT Rohtak wants logical reasoning, VRC. In fact, the level of questions is also the same, but this year, talking about 2023, GIPMAT level of questions was slightly higher, okay, compared to the last year. So be well prepared for that. Talking about the number of questions, we have 33 questions of quants, 33 of logical reasoning, 34 of VARC. So again, here also we see that there is one section of logical reasoning. Syllabus is same as that of IPMAT Rohtak. We have already discussed the syllabus in detail. Go through our previous videos, okay, on syllabus. Talking about the time limit, here we have an overall time limit of 150 minutes. That means 2.5 hours. Here you are allowed to switch between sections. In Rohtak and Indore, that is not allowed, but here it is allowed, okay. So you can start with any of the sections. Fine. So I've clearly written you can switch between sections. Sometimes Jammu Bodh Gaya, they check your sectional cutoff, okay, in GIPMAT. Sometimes they do, but before that they'll announce it properly, okay, that how are they going to accept your GIPMAT score. So when the notification is out, you have to read it thoroughly. Finally, we talk about the marking scheme. It is the same +4 -1 for all the questions, okay. About cutoff, you can check one of our previous videos. Syllabus of quants and VRC, it is same in IPMAT, Indore, Rohtak and GIPMAT, okay, but Indore we have difficult questions, Rohtak and GIPMAT we have easy questions. Talking about quants, specifically class 11-12 maths, which is called higher maths, is only there in Indore, not in GIPMAT and IPMAT Rohtak. So it is very good opportunity for non-math students. They can score very good in IPMAT Rohtak and GIPMAT, okay. Talking about the logical reasoning section, this is not present in IPMAT Indore. There's only one set of, either it could be a data interpretation set where you will be given a table, bar graph, pie chart, something like that, or it could be a set based upon common logical reasoning. It could be a puzzle. To know the exact type of problem, please go through the previous year paper. So that's all about the exam pattern of all three exams. Finally, if you are preparing for IPMAT 2024-2025, for 2024, we still have 7 months left, okay. With a good plan, you can easily crack the exam. So when you join iQuanta IPMAT courses, we have live classes on Zoom. You're also allowed to interact with the teacher right there, okay, on the spot and get your doubts clarified. All the classes that are conducted on Zoom are also recorded. Suppose you miss them, you can watch them later as well, any number of times, okay. Apart from that, when one class on any particular concept is done, you also have practice assignments where you are given exact IPMAT level questions and solutions to those questions. If you have any doubts, you can always take a screenshot and put it in our doubts group. So our doubts group, they are 24/7 active, okay. You just have to take a picture, screenshot, or you just have to copy paste the text of the question wherever you are solving from, or our assignments. You can put it in the doubts group. It will be solved in 15 to 30 minutes. So as I said, recordings are also available later on. Finally, when you return after boards, there's also a 75 days crash course, which is basically our revision course. If you take the full courses for 24 and 25, you'll be getting them for free. Otherwise, you can also enroll for them separately after boards, okay. For all these courses, if you want more details, you can go to iQuanta.in/IPMAT, and if you have any further doubts, any further queries, you can always call us on the number provided on the website. So keep preparing, and whatever doubts you have, you can comment. All the best.